English ma'am Urmil Joshi from Arden Progressive School, Lamachor. So students, today we will start our new chapter in English grammar. So I am not telling the name first. First I am discussing some sentences with you. So students, I have written 4 sentences here. So I am explaining these sentences. Sita is a good girl. Sita studies in grade 3. Sita plays guitar. Sita loves Sita's parents very much. So you can see here, Sita is a girl and I am talking about Sita. मैं यहाँ पर सीता एक लड़की है उसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. And Sita is a name of a girl. So Sita is noun. So you all know the definition of noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So here Sita is the name of a person. So Sita is the name of a person and this is noun. ये क्या है? Noun है. This is the name of a person or a girl. And in all these sentences, I am talking about this girl. और मैं सारे ही sentences में सीता के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. But again and again, I am taking the name Sita. I am repeating the name Sita and this is looking very awkward. बहुत अजीब सा लग रहा है ये. मैं बार बार सीता 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 and I am taking the name Sita again and again. I am repeating here. So this is looking very awkward. So to avoid this, इस चीज को avoid करने के लिए, to avoid the repetition, इस repetition को avoid करने के लिए, I am using here another word that is she. So here in place of Sita, I can write she. Now it is looking nice. अब ये कैसा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है. Because again and again I will not repeat Sita now. अब मैं बार बार सीता को repeat नहीं करूंगी. And in place of Sita, I will use another word that is she. She studies in grade 3. She plays guitar. She loves her parents. Now I will write her in place of Sita's. Sita ke. Sita's. In place of Sita's, I am using here her. So now Sita is a good girl. She studies in grade 3. She plays guitar. She loves her parents very much. So what you all have seen that in place of Sita, I used another word that is she. सीता के प्लेस में मैंने क्या वर्ड यूज करा? she. To avoid the repetition. Repetition मतलब दोहराव, पुनरावृत्ति. जो मैं बार बार इसको रिपीट कर रही हूँ, बार बार इसको बोल रही हूँ, उसको मैंने अवॉइड करने के लिए क्या करा? I used a word she here. So what we call this word? Pronoun. So today my topic is the pronoun. For a noun. Pro means for a noun. जो हम noun के लिए किसी दूसरे शब्द का प्रयोग करते हैं, that is pronoun. So I am writing the definition here. A word that is used instead of noun. noun, to avoid repetition, repetition को avoid करने के लिए, to avoid repetition is called pronoun. For example, he, she, I, we, you, they, it. These words we use in place of noun. So these are pronouns. A word that is used instead of noun or in place of a noun to avoid repetition is called pronoun. So this is the definition of pronoun. So here there are two kinds of pronoun. There are two kinds of pronoun in your syllabus. First is personal pronoun and the second is demonstrative pronoun. So first I am explaining you personal pronoun. That is Vyaktivachak Sarvanam. Okay. So personal pronouns. A word used as a substitute. मतलब in place of. Okay. Substitute for the proper name of a person. When we use a word in place of a name of a person, proper name of a person, particular. Okay. That is personal pronouns. So here three persons are here. When two persons are talking to each other, so it is they both are talking about third person also, because they both will talk about the another person or object. जब दो लोग आपस में बात कर रहे होंगे, तो it is sure that they both are talking about another person or another object. So here the person talking to another person, they both are talking. So the person who is speaking, जो बोल रहा है, like I am speaking here. So I am the first person because I am the speaker. क्योंकि मैं कौन हूँ? Speaker हूँ. Speaker who is speaking, जो बोल रहा है, that is first person. वो कौन होता है? First person होता है. There are three persons. So first person is the speaker who is speaking. Like I am speaking here. So I am the first person, and whatever I will talk about, that is I, mine, me, my. These pronouns I will use to talk myself. मैं अपने बारे में बोलने के लिए मैं इन pronouns का use करूंगी. Like I am a teacher. So I am speaking here about myself. मैं अपने बारे में बोल रही हूँ. So I will use I. मैं अपने बारे में बोलने के लिए I का यूज करूंगी. I, mine, जैसे this marker is mine, ये marker मेरा है. This is my home, ये मेरा घर है. So these sentences I am talking about myself. मैं अपने बारे में बोल रही हूँ ये सब. So I am the speaker here, and I am talking to you. मैं आपके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. I am talking to you. So you are the second person. आप कौन से person है? Second person है to whom I am talking, जिससे मैं बात कर रही हूँ. So you are listener. आप कौन है? Listener है, श्रोता. जो सुनता है वो श्रोता होता है, and the speaker वक्ता. मैं जो बोल रही हूँ मैं कौन हूँ? वक्ता हूँ. And you are the listener, and you are श्रोता. आप सुनने वाले हैं. And when I am talking to you, I will use pronoun you, yours. Okay? So like this, I will use pronoun you and yours. What are you doing? So I am asking to you. I am talking to you, and you are the listener. आप सुन रहे हैं, and I am talking to you. I am speaking with you. So I am using pronoun you and yours. Okay? So you and yours we use in second person. And the third person to whom we are talking about, जिनके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. So, for example, I am talking about Sunita. Sunita is a girl. I am talking about Sunita. So I will use that she is a very good singer. So she I am using pronoun instead of noun, that is Sita. Sunita के बारे में मैं बात कर रही हूँ, and she is third person. She is not present here, and I am talking about Sunita. So in place of Sunita की जगह पर मैं she का use करूंगी, because she is a girl. So I am using she. If we will talk about a boy, so we will use he. Okay. So third person others, those who are not present here, and we are talking about them. और हम उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो यहाँ पर मौजूद नहीं है, उपस्थित नहीं है, और हम उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस क्या होते हैं? व्हाट आर पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस? अ वर्ड यूज्ड एज अ सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर द प्रॉपर नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन. जो किसी प्रॉपर पर्सन के लिए हम यूज करते हैं, दैट इज पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. एंड देयर आर 3 persons. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन इज हु इज स्पीकिंग, जो बोल रहा है, द स्पीकर. एंड टू whom, listener, second person. And the third person who is not present here, I am talking about others. Okay, so this is third person. He, she, it or they. It we will use for things. Okay, so like this we will understand that what is personal pronoun. Now how we will use personal pronouns. So I am telling you how you will use it. I, me, my and mine. These pronouns we will use for the speaker who is talking about. जो बात कर रहा है, yourself you will use I, me, my and mine. The speaker, for the speaker who is speaking, you will use I, me, my and mine. Next, you, yours and your. Next, you, yours and your. You will use for the listener to whom you are talking. जिससे आप बात कर रहे हैं, listener. You will use you, yours, your. These pronouns, personal pronouns, you will use. She, her, hers. You will use for girl. आप girl के लिए use करेंगे, third person. Okay, to whom we are talking about, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. If we are talking about a girl, we will use she, her and hers. And if we are talking about a boy or man, we will use he, him or his. Next, it and its. We will use for animal or an object. एनिमल के लिए और हम ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए we will use it and its. जैसे डॉग है, so we will use it or its tail. Okay. Next is they, them and theirs. We will use for more than one people, many people. For many people we will use they. प्लूरल के लिए हम यूज करेंगे they, them and their. Okay. So like this you will use personal pronouns. Okay. How you will use? For the speaker who is speaking, you will use I, me, my and mine. My name is Urmil Joshi. I am a teacher. Like this you will speak yourself, and you are very good and your handwriting is very nice. Now you are listener. I am using you, your for the listener, and he is a very good teacher. His handwriting is very nice. Now I am talking about a man or a boy who is not here, and I am speaking about. So we will use he, him and his. And if I am talking about a girl who is not present here, so she is a very good teacher. She writes very nicely. So I am using she, her. It and its we will use for animal or an object, an object. Okay, like it is very useful. The cow is a very useful animal, a pet animal. The cow is a pet animal and its milk is very useful and very healthy for us. So like this we will use it for cow. Next, they, them and their we will use for more than one people. एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए हम they. Like two people are talking, so we will say they both are talking. They are talking. So they we will use for many people, more than one people. So like this we will use personal pronouns. So today I explained you pronouns and their kinds और उनके प्रकार. So two kinds I discussed you. I have discussed you. First is personal and second is demonstrative. So hope you all have understood. Now you will do the exercise. I will send you. So now we will start exercise 5.1. So first question is circle the pronouns in the following sentences. So now you have to circle the pronouns. So you all know what is pronoun? Pronoun are the words that we used in place of noun to avoid the repetition of noun. So first sentence is, will you please lend me 100 rupees? So here you and me, both the words are pronoun. Now the next sentence is, the tiny bird carried a worm in its beak. So in this sentence the tiny bird is noun and for tiny bird its is written as noun. So you will circle its. Third sentence is, Pooja is my friend. She came to my birthday party. So in this sentence we are using my, she, my as pronoun. So circle my, she in the sentence. Fourth is, did you complete your homework? So again in place of noun we are using you and your. Fifth is, I'm sorry I could not reach at time. So again in this sentence I is pronoun. Both the I are pronoun. Akash, Sanjay and Rohit are good players, but they have not been selected for this match. So in this sentence we are using they in place of Akash, Sanjay and Rohit. Now the next sentence is, the letter was addressed to you and me. So here we are using you and me. Next sentence is, I bought this book. It's very interesting. So in this sentence I, first person we are using. This is pronoun, personal pronoun. This and it. These are pronouns. Now next sentence is, my parents brought gifts for us. So again my is pronoun and us is also pronoun in the sentence. Now next sentence in the last is, he gave me his book. So in this sentence we are using he in place of noun. So he is pronoun in the sentence, me and his. So circle the pronouns. Now the B, second question is, fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. Now you have to fill correct pronouns in the blanks. First is, Samuel went to dash brother to help dash. So in this sentence we are talking about Samuel. Samuel is a boy, male, masculine gender. So we will use his or him. Samuel went to his brother to help him. Now next sentence is Sanjana helped her mother when she stayed with her. So here we are talking about Sanjana, and Sanjana is feminine gender. We are talking about a girl named Sanjana. So we will use her and she. Now next is my father takes dash to school every day. So we will use me in the sentence. The dog wags its tail. So we will use its, as we use it or its for the animals and things. Now next is he was told to finish his work as soon as possible. So we will use he and his here. Next is have you met your brother? Granny used to tell them favorite stories. Granny used to tell them favorite stories. Next is this article is better than John's. So here we are using this pronoun. Next is he always obey his parents and elders. So we are using he. So we will use his with he. Next is they hit the ball and it went over the fence. Now replace the highlighted words with suitable pronouns and rewrite the sentences. So in this sentence we have to replace the highlighted words. Some highlighted words are here, nouns. You have to replace these nouns with suitable pronouns and you have to write the sentence again. So first sentence is Hari went to Agra to meet Hari's friend. So here it's looking very awkward as we are using Hari again and again. So what you will do? You will write in place of Hari his, as Hari is masculine gender and we will use his. Hari went to Agra to meet his friend. Next sentence is Neha went to the airport to receive Neha's father. Neha's father was coming from New York. So in place of Neha's father, we will use her. We will use her as Neha is in the sentence. Neha is feminine gender. So you will use her in place of Neha. So sentence will be Neha went to the airport to receive her father. Her father was coming from New York. Now, the next question is, the students found the test easy. The students did it very well. So, in this sentence, we will write they, as we are talking about more than one student. So, we will write they here. They we use with plurals. So the students found the test easy. They did it very well. Next is the dog bit the boy. The dog was mad. So here in place of the dog we will write it, as we use it for the animal. Now next is the mobile did not start because the mobile's battery was down. So again for mobile we will use its. The child began to cry. The child was hungry. So we will use he for the child. Now the next is Rihanna and Sultana went to the fair. Rihanna and Sultana bought bangles for Rihanna and Sultana's mother. So here for first in the second sentence, Rehana and Sultana, we will use they because they are two. क्योंकि वो दो हैं, Rehana and Sultana. So we will use they and Rehana and Sultana's mother. So again we will write their mother for plural. They, their. Simran asked Rohit to drop Simran at Simran's house. So again we are repeating Simran. So what we will do? We will write Simran asked Rohit to drop her. To drop her, we will use her for Simran, as Simran is feminine gender, so we will use her. 9th is, the gardener planted some plants in the lawn. Seeing the plants growing rapidly, the gardener was happy. So for the gardener, we will use he in the sentence. He was happy. Pratiksha did not perform well. Arjun was not satisfied with Pratiksha's performance. So in this sentence, what you will do? You will write her, because Pratiksha is girl, the name of a girl, and Pratiksha is feminine gender, she is female. So we will write her performance. Now D1 question is, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. So you have to fill pronouns here. First is, Jack and Jill went up the hill. Dash were good friends. So we are talking about Jack and Jill. So Jack and Jill are two persons. So we will write they. They for plural. Madhu worked the whole night. Dash wanted to complete Dash project. So Madhu is a girl. So we will use she and her. Pooja's father had called her, because we are talking about Pooja. So we will write her. And he wanted to know about her progress report. Now we will use he for Pooja's father. अब हम यहाँ पर he का use क्यों करेंगे? Because we are talking about Pooja's father, and Pooja के पापा कौन हैं? वो masculine gender हैं, male हैं. So we will use he for Pooja's father. And progress report card is of Pooja, so we will write her for Pooja. Next is, Dolly was playing with her new doll. So we are using her pronoun because we are talking about Dolly, and Dolly is feminine. Hedy fell down and hurt her leg. Again, this is feminine gender and we will use her. The dog was licking its paw. So we will use its for dog because dog is an animal. 7th is, John and Tom were happy because their parents had bought them sports shoes. So John and Tom are two people. So we will use their and them. The cat chased the mouse, but it ran into a hole. So for cat as an animal, we will use it here. Yash and Raj were playing. Now Yash and Raj are two people. So we will use them. The teacher told them. We will not use him. We are talking about two people, Yash and Raj. Last is, the two children ran on the road when their parents were busy with work. So again we are talking about two children, plural. So we will use their parents here. So this was the exercise you have done. So now I have explained you properly. So you have to do this exercise, all the questions in your book. With good handwriting you will do it. So we will meet you soon in our next video. That's much. And the next pronoun we will discuss in another video. Take care. Bye.